Welcome back again, and now I'm explaining to you on how to use some of these statements here called the operator blocks. What do we have here is some of the operator blocks that uses the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and then division. If you already know how to do these works, no? So let's say I will teach you, let's say first the addition. So let's think of a number like 5, then another 2. So let's say what's 5 plus 2? 5 plus 2 was 7. Yan. As you can see here, 5 plus 2 is 7. We're just adding the numbers inside of it. So let's say 1 plus 2 is 3. So now let's try naman sa subtraction. Let's think of a number like 2 minus 2. So 2 less than 2 equals 0. Right? So we're just subtracting numbers. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Yeah. Now let's try the multiplication. Let's try 2 times 3. It will multiply the 2 into 3, like there are 2 3's. No, so let's multiply it, and now we're getting a 6 number. What if we've used some of the division? Let's use the 10 minus 2 is equal to 5. Minus 2. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. But let's try a different one where there is a decimal point in it. So yan, as you can see, 10 divided by 3 has a decimal point, and it will show down here the decimal places on how many decimal numbers. So that's, now let's try to use this block. So what's the pick random 1 to 10? So he will pick a random number from 1 to 10. So how do we use this block on Scratch? And let's add some fish in here, and then let's try to change his costume. As you can see, there are 4 options here, different fishes. There are 4 different fishes in here. Let's try to manipulate them into changing into picking a random block or picking a random fish. Let's say pick a random fish from 1 to 4. That means he will pick a random fish from 1 to 4. So as you can see, if I click this, he will pick a random fish. Right? It's not in order because he picks the random fish based on what number will it shows up here. Yan. Depende yun. So let's try to use naman some of the plus or the operators, the plus and divide signs in here. Yan. We have here one building, then let's try to put it in here like this one. Then as you can see, we have here the building. Then we'll try to choose different buildings here. So as you can see, we have 10 different buildings here to choose from. Now let's try to pick a random building from 1 to 10, but we're gonna use some of these operators. So let's say we're gonna use the 1, or let's say 3 plus 2. What's 3 plus 2? 3 plus 2 is 5. That means we're gonna pick a random building from 5 to 10, which means we're gonna start here from building 5 to 10. So we will gonna choose a random building from 5 to 10. As you can see, there's no numbers showing up below 5. There's no 4, 3, or 2 in it showing up like that. Now we're gonna put it inside of here so that it will switch a costume, or say buildings. So as you can see, if I click this, it will automatically change the building, but the buildings in here from 1 to 4 isn't showing. So we can see up here that the building that always show up is the buildings from 5 to 10. So we can make this another one on this part. Let's say we're gonna use the multiplication statement. So what's 2 times 5? We're gonna use the multiplication operator. So what's 2 times 5? Is 10. Now it's 10. But we're gonna use, kasi it's already 10 eh. So we're gonna use, to make it 8. We're gonna use this one. 4 times 2 to make it 8. Kasi we're not going to use the 10. We're gonna, yan. So it means that our building block, we're gonna start from 5 up until to 8. So we're gonna use this, just this building. Not, the buildings 9 to 10 and 1 to 4 are not included. So as you can see, if I click this, the numbers 9 to 10 and 1 to 4 isn't showing up. Yan, mapapansin mo, diba? Now we're going back. Then we're gonna change it again. As you can see, yung buildings from hanggang 8 lang is yung lumalabas. Yan. Now, we have already learned some of these operators. No. So this is just an example, but we will proceed to another part in here, which is the greater and less than. So stay tuned for our next topic or our next lesson, because I will be teaching you how to use this one, and statement or statement and not statement. Then let's proceed on to the next video.